us. Prabhupada didn't encourage us to go to Radhakund and live there. Prabhupada didn't encourage us to live in Vrindavan. Prabhupada wanted us to go to Vrindavan. But Prabhupada wanted us to go, stay wherever we are. And preach Krishna consciousness. That's the most important thing. Mahaprabhu wanted Krishna consciousness movement to spread. Now if everybody lives in Mathura and Radhakund and Vrindavan and Varsana, then what will happen to this world? Who will preach Krishna consciousness? Therefore, for the sake of Mahaprabhu's pleasure, we don't care for our spiritual advancement. And like Vasudev Datta, let me take all the sinful reactions of everybody and let me go to hell. But let everybody get delivered. That is the attitude of an advanced devotee. That is the mood that Srila Prabhupada wanted us to accept. We are prepared to go anywhere. That's why we are prepared to go to a place called America, which is not different from hell. But we dare to go there. Everybody is saying, Maharaj, why are you going there? Why are you going there? I know that place is hellish. But we have to go there to preach. And other boys are there, other devotees are there, they are preaching. And if I stay in Ujjain, because there is some problems, coronavirus, then will that be appropriate? As their leader, I am hiding. And they are fighting the battle in the forefront. No. As a leader, I should be there with them. That's where I'm going. Thank you very much.